just yesterday or the day before, I started getting a little sick. Usually around November, December, and then again in like April, I get just kind of like a cold, not anything too serious, thankfully. But I'm home for the holidays, Thanksgiving holiday, and I thought I would film a holiday makeup look. So if you would like to see a holiday inspired makeup look, then please just keep watching. Thanks. Alright, so I'm first putting on the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base as like a primer of sorts. It smells divine and it is very nourishing and hydrating. For quote foundation, I'm going in with the Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint and the L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion, or I think that's what it's called. This is in the shade 902, which I believe is the second to lightest shade. And I'm just blending that in first with my fingers, and then I'm taking a L'Oreal sponge that is dampened. Next, I'm going in with a pretty light coverage concealer. This is the Glossier Stretch Concealer. I think I've literally have said this in every single one of my videos. I don't really care about covering up my acne too much. As you can see, I have Mars on my forehead, and it just would not cover up, but you know, yeah. I don't know why I kept doing this, but I kept doing that, like, all throughout the video. That is the Glossier Cloud Paint in Dawn. And then the Wet n Wild, sorry, I'm singing along to Queen. The Wet n Wild Mega Glow Stick Contour thing. I don't know, it's more of like a bronzer than a contour because it's pretty warm. And then, of course, I'm going in with my Ride or Die powder, Laura Mercier. I'm putting it everywhere where I put a cream product, which is the entirety of my face, because when I go in with bronzer, blush, and highlight, but mostly just bronzer and blush, I don't want everything to be so patchy and stuck, so the powder makes everything kind of, there I go again, makes everything kind of glide on easier. This is the Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Bronze and Glow, and I only used the sculpt side for this. I used a different highlighter later on, and then I realized I was looking a little orange, so I just went back with my sponge. I don't know why I keep doing that. Next, I'm going in with the Becca and Chrissy Teigen palette. I'm taking the blush color and the pinky highlighter shade, and I'm just putting that all over where I'd put blush. And then I'm taking the Balm Mary Luminizer, one of my all-time favorite highlighters, and I'm just putting that all over my face. Later on, I do realize I look a little bit too shiny, so I did go back around my mouth with more Laura Mercier powder to kind of mattify some shininess. I just recently picked this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil up, and it is not bad. I am enjoying it. Before this, I was using the ColourPop one, which is also phenomenal. I'm really enjoying the more drugstore, less expensive options. Of course, I'm going in with my favorite brow gel, the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara in Espresso. Now I'm going to do some matte eyeshadow with the ColourPop Double Entendre. I still don't know how to say that word. Double Entendre, whatever. I'm taking, just a couple of the brownie orange shades with a fluffy brush. And just blending it all over. Y'all already know, if you watch me, I am not precise with my eyeshadow. I just kind of slap it on my eyes and call it a day. Then I go in with this dark shade, which I'm a little nervous about. It was a bit patchy at first right there, but then I just had to take like a couple of minutes to just really blend it out. And then I take a couple of those same brownie orange shades and just do the same on my bottom lash line, which is, you know, the same as to all of my eyeshadow looks. I always will take a couple of the mattes on my upper lid and will, you know, do the same exact thing on my lower lid. Okay, now for the fun part. This glitter liner is phenomenal. Oh yeah, I got a new eyelash curler, haha. And it is amazing. It's Sally Hansen. I got it at Marshall's. But anyways, back to this eyeliner. This glitter eyeliner is phenomenal. It's so worth the money. It's Urban Decay, so it's a little bit more expensive. And honest to goodness, I didn't really know what I was doing, but it kind of just ended up being like an inner corner, one-fourth of the way in eyeliner. I don't know. I also was gonna maybe possibly do false eyelashes, which I never do, but I decided against it because that just looked weird right then. I personally don't like, I just don't like false eyelashes on me, so I just did normal mascara.
Alrighty, let's do the lips now, y'all. My one nostril is running.
Okay, for the lips, I first started with outlining my lips in like a nude shade, and then I moved to more of like a raspberry shade to make the red application a little bit easier, kind of like an outline in a way. Also, Q-tips are your best friend in a situation like this with red lipstick. This is just a really nice classic matte red lipstick.
I have mad respect for people who can wear matte liquid lipstick all day long. I've literally had it on now for like 5 minutes and I just want it off. So here's yet another holiday makeup look. I will link a couple that I've done in the past below. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Please like this video if you do like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!